In this video, you'll learn how to download a Google Cloud Service Account JSON file step by step so you can use it safely in your projects and automations. First, let's quickly talk about what a Service Account JSON file actually is. When you're working with Google Cloud programmatically, your apps and scripts need a way to authenticate or prove who they are without a person logging in each time. A service account is like a special user for your application, and the JSON file is the key that lets your code act as that user. Because of that, you should treat this file as highly sensitive and never share it publicly or commit it to version control. Now let's go through the process from inside the Google Cloud console. Start by signing in to your Google Cloud project in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct project at the top of the page because service accounts and their keys are specific to each project. If you have multiple projects, double check that the project name matches the one where you want to use the service account. Next, open the Service Accounts page. You can do this by opening the main navigation menu in the top left corner, going down to the IAM and Admin section, and then choosing Service Accounts. This is where all the service accounts for your current project are listed. Once you're on the Service Accounts page, you have two options. You can either create a new service account or open an existing one. If you already have a service account you want to use, find it in the list. You can use the search bar or scroll until you see the service account with the correct name and description. Click on that service account to open its details. If you don't have one yet, create a new service account. Click the option to create a service account, then give it a clear name and description so you'll remember what it's for. Assign it only the roles it needs, following the principle of least privilege. Once you finish creating it, you'll be taken to that service account's detail page. From the service account detail page, go to the section where you can manage keys. Look for something like a keys tab or an add key button. Click to add a new key and you'll see an option to choose the key type. This is where you select JSON. JSON is the standard format most Google Cloud libraries and tools expect for service account keys, so make sure that's selected before you continue. After selecting JSON as the key type, click the Create button. When you do this, Google Cloud generates a new private key for that service account and immediately starts downloading it to your computer as a JSON file. This download usually happens automatically through your browser and you'll see it appear in your usual downloads folder. Once the file has downloaded, move it to a safe, secure location on your machine. And if you're using it in a project, reference it from a private path that isn't shared. Remember, anyone with this file can access your project with the permissions you granted to that service account. So store it carefully and remove keys you're no longer using. That's all you need to do to download a Google Cloud Service Account JSON file. Open or create the service account key, select JSON as the key type, click Create, and let the file download automatically.